Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a CMS using Claude Code. First, set up your project by opening PowerShell and creating a new folder. Type mkdir cms-project, then cd cms-project, and initialize the project with npm init-ui. This set up the basic Node.js project structure. Next, install the basics by running npm install express, mangoes, and .env. This will set up your backend foundation with express for the server, mangoes for MongoDB, and .env for environment variables. Now, ask Claude to generate the backend by running Claude and typing create a CMS backend using Node.js, Express, and MongoDB with CRUD APIs for post. Claude will generate the server setup, API routes for creating, reading, updating, and tilting posts, and database models. Then create your database using either local MongoDB or a cloud option like MongoDB Atlas. Ask Claude to connect your project to MongoDB and create a post schemas with title, content, and author by typing Claude connect this project to MongoDB and create a post schemas with title, content, and author. Now, your CMS can store content. Next, build the admin panel fronted by asking Claude to create a simple CMS admin dashboard using React with login and post management. You'll get a login page, a dashboard, a post editor, and buttons to delete or edit posts. After that, add authentication to secure CMS. Ask Claude to add GWT authentication with login and protected routes. This will give you an admin login, secure APIs, and a protected dashboard. Finally, test and run your CMS. Start the backend by typing node-index.js in PowerShell, and start the frontend by typing npm start. Open your browser to add posts, edit content, and manage your website. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.